Hello subscribers and welcome newcomers. I know you haven't seen me live for quite some time, but I'm here and I've been cooking and ready to share a host of new recipes with you and get you geared up for the holidays. I was at the farmer's market recently and scored this beautiful orange kabocha squash, and look, it's absolutely gorgeous. Kabocha squash are so easy to work with. They have a very thin skin. Give it a good scrub with fresh water, and then they're easy to cut down and then cube and pair with an assortment of your favorite vegetables. For my roasted vegetable medley today, I'm using parsnips and Brussels sprouts, cut all in about the same size. They cook in 20 to 25 minutes. And you know, when you roast vegetables in convection, the heated circulating air helps keep the moisture in the food. What does that mean? The food has more, your vegetables, and any food, it will have more flavor. To make a really simple convection meal, and it is October, I've added some fresh Bratwurst to my tray, and I'm going to toss the vegetables with just a little bit of maple syrup and a hint of champagne vinegar and a bit of finishing salt. Some nice mustard for the sausages. What an easy, wonderful convection meal. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.